Your number. Number 1?
Yes, sir.
Number 2?
Yes, sir.
Number 3?
Yes, sir.
Number 4?
Yes, sir.
Number 5?
Yes, sir.
Number 6?
Yes, sir.
Number 7?
Yes, sir.
Number 8?
Yes, sir.
Number 9?
Yes, sir.
Number 10?
Yes, sir.
Number 11?
Yes, sir.
Number 12?
Yes, sir.
Number 13?
Yes, sir.
Number 14?
Yes, sir.
Number 15?
Yes, sir.
Number 16?
Yes, sir.
Number 17? Number 18? Absent. Number 21? 22?
Yes, sir.
23? 23 the number?
Yes, sir.
Number 25?
Yes, sir.
Number 26?
Yes, sir.
Number 27?
Yes, sir.
Number 28?
Yes, sir.
Number 29?
Yes, sir.
30?
Yes, sir.
31? 32? Action! 33?
Yes, sir.
34? 35? 36? Number 36?
Absent, sir.
37?
Yes, sir.
38? 39? And 40? Number 99? 100?
Yes, sir.
101? 102?
Yes, sir.
103?
Present, sir.
104? Who is circling? Please stand up. Go outside. I said go outside immediately. Now we are going to start the lesson. Let's know our environment. So what do you mean by environment? I want to explain all of you that is support life. Do you know? Everybody want? Anyone? Do you know? Now I would like to explain all of you. Our solar system is, do you know? It is our solar system. Okay? It is our solar system. There are many more of planets surrounding our solar system. So, answer the point. Oh, stay. Listen up. What is this?
Zero, sir.
It's not zero. Anybody can say this one? Anybody can identify this one? Please stand up, anyone? Anyone stand up? What is this?
Zero.
You stupid, sit down. It is not zero, okay? It is not zero, it is our R. Do you know R? E-A-R-T-H. R. It is called R, it is not zero. Okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. 17. Tell me, what is this?
Sir, it is 90.
No, no. It is not 90. It is our solar system. That means it is our planet. Okay? There are 9 planets in our solar system surrounding the Earth. Okay? And the number 1, Uranus, Neptune. Today our resonance system we are with. Okay, everybody, thank you. Thank you.
One naman.
Ini ka lang mo. Upper virgin. Nala.